Ebusia many Hans Future Leaders. Omomofra ni ani omubedi djumai. Hans Future Leaders Integrated School. It's with the away from me. Hans Future Leaders.
Quality education, best investments.
Hans Future Leaders.
Quality education, best investments.
For the last time, Hans Future Leaders.
Quality education, best investments.
Sapa pepe. Omu penny wa ha chire machire ye. Yen hye yen komo twetwe na se mame. Me ma wo akwaba.
Ya enua
Bibi ya boko die.
me pacho adom nyame adaro ma bibia ye fine.
Eish, mami. Me pacho di de say.
Me pacho edin a mejeso ene hana ehyen ejewa.
Hana ehyen ejewa.
Me pacho ane.
Okay. Pacho position wo Hans Future Leaders School mu ye de.
Me pacho ye beka no kofare by.
Oh, wow.
That's the proprietress
okay.
of the school.
That's fine. That's fine. It is so far. Why had this school for the past
18 years?
18 years.
Yes.
Hans said 18 years.
Me pacho ane.
Wow. Mama sama mo. 18 solid years.
Me pacho you.
My idea. So far, I can say.
Ekoje pa.
Many achievements be.
Me pacho achievements die. Chese. Oba Ghana. Sa oba Ghana. Na sa ose ope school I could have the bragging rights. In terms of mathematics. Nobody, no school can take it from us.
Wow! I will say I will take community wise over 3.3 FM. Who dreaming? Yɛn Mma. Any other children and I was to go so with him in Hans Future Leaders of Bofra and he did into me. Now, proprietress. And I've been in the book cover last Sunday. I've been like the whole cat salon. That's just said there. I'll pay a beja. I'll pay a beja. A video who had to say, Mammy, a shen.
Yes, Minia Papa B.
Sanya, why you whole cat say? We are sure, say. And then you may want to follow as well, Kapala.
Me part shows you.
Sir?
Said dear Obia nim, a dear dancer, even international, crano. Yan dear, yet a sim of frano for Modachi.
Okay.
Ain't it from the word go na ye fiasie. And unti mofrano, ne panya media diom and no na ye builde. Aha, ain't no ya diomona my yensro.
Ajo, me pacho Hans Future Leaders School na wahepa.
Me pacho ewo Aboabo getting to Asane.
Okay.
Aha.
All right.
See say eba say obi hwehwe Hans Future Leaders a true kwan a o si wo Aboabo bus stop a no afa Pentecost road o kasa o hwehwe Hans a.
Okay.
Obi a bofra kra be kire no Hans kwan. Senso onamasane kwan so efa Akim State University ho nso a eno nso ekwan da ho ebepie Hans Future Leaders School mo ho nso.
Okay. It's young achievement we should be.
Okay.
Bragging rights for the end.
For National Mathematics Quiz.
Wow.
Yes.
The whole Ghana.
The whole Ghana.
Hans Future Leaders.
Me pacho you.
Achievements be and be na more.
Me pacho. Ye ba no BC a ye show ya. Yen last time I show BC ye kuta 100%. Da ye be show be 100%.
What will be in Pedro say?
Me pacho ya show I think 5 times.
Meaning 100%.
Me pacho you. Ye ka say ye mofra ni bi e wo suya pom universities, training colleges.
Okay.
Bebre akwanim ya tete bebre ebi mo mpo ato mo adesua so e wa manone.
Really?
Me patrol you.
Den kwana mudi gu akwamu sama mu achieve ne makesa kese say den kwa.
Niema ne ye beka bi. Now so esan bibi nti yentumi nka ne nyina yentumi nhye yen secret nyinara e wa ha.
Okay.
Aha. Na yen mofra ne ntete ye no. Eyade anyame de free so e de adom yen.
Okay.
Ensi ye kose biara efri nyame enchen e na eba. Eno nti ye dwe mofra ne da ache ho.
Okay.
Enye se business e sika na mofra ne betua no.
Okay.
Awofo betua no. Eno nko ana ye hwehwe. Ye hwehwe se ye betese mofra no se de be ya da ache. E mofra e meye adesoa bi emma oman Ghana. Anase wiase afa na nyinara
All right.
Eno nti
mo motto ni eden.
Me patro ye motto ye quality education, best investment. Ai enye danta bia ne danta. Say ye ka se suku a enye se wadware oba ahye ne suku atade se wagya ne kwan ene ne suku o. Eye se wo hwehwe suku a wogye mofra ne daakye ho.
Okay.
Wode amofra ne ekọ no unimu se me bayi de ne daakye de ade bia nyame de adua ne mu no enye okwa anase ensei anase school mu mpo a okọ no onkofa suban tantan biara emewura wabusuem enu nti obehwehwe bia papa bibi te se hands future leaders na enu nti udi sika remu a suku papa enu ne investment anase japade papa waye
okay
enti nyese bia odware oba edene call yesi omasi abronsa da binya no ne suku papa ye hands future leaders ena ese owufo bia ehwehwe akiri kwan ede na bofra eko
wow bana somebody mama
me patro ye frɛ me Ajewa Hana Eshen me patro you
me patro nti enne day no den ye hwe ni mu fi mu mofra yi ho
okay in fact yesi ahwenepa enkasa eno nti obi anim hands na yen shada mechre ase enei ade bia ye ahodwire kakra eno nti ase program na nkasa na ye ba so no ase ye main focus ye pese ye kachre honorable say Akyem odaman eni mu mofra ye ni aso de papa ye efise ye hands for de TV stations yakukọ bebre so
okay
radio stations yakukọ bebre so yenimu se eyesi katua kese mu
kesipa
nanso papa yi anhwe sika ho anhwe business ho wagye mofra ne se ne pa nyame de adua mofra ne mu no oboa na obi de ankosai sabre ya yen start na yen training na omo ne pa na nyame de amom no endedi eno nsi ye main focus ye Yɛn Mma na mo na fe niema kakra bibi to say news presentation
okay
yen ye honom KG for free KG no na ye jai mofra no astedi ashomo talent
okay
eno nti so obi epe food bibi to say kitchen niema ya ye wo bia bi saa a ye startete no wo ho obi pit army soldier sa cadets niema no ase mofra ne da akye na ye focus wo ho eno nti niema kakra bi na omo be display by ye main way ye Yɛn Mma honorable enyonyamfo amo wa kwanya kese we ya ode ama efise enye easy
ebusia ya sha simple abu edrumi all the same make I was say yeah the hands future leaders of Mofra and the ebedi yenjuma yi hands future leaders in Mofra no from Paul Enterprise one year money bebre na what na so ye and the 247 shop no bebre boom a home and electrical appliances women industrial machines and afufro bi ekeka ho enkwanta new market one so no provisions na de bebre na and wuwo mu cosmetics items no bebre insuo more macro just sardines bebre na and wo ho no mo ground floor of Mandarina Hotel no so from Paul Ebutu Honomo Liberty Lane opposite Akona na story building no so or say all sort of office chairs and all kinds of home and electrical appliances so ho na for kra aba and no quarters Tilapia Junction no and no farm milk depot enti ene na wabo awura baby e ben wo wakwakwagye dia wo pese woji efri kodo mo frefre Paul e was 0244897525 and as 0242111236 Abusia ya mani enda chidumedie no wasubusu awutie me kai we say yes stream live wo Facebook okwa na wa comment wa like na wa share e de amame afa yedrusu ye de school anthem no e be hihye so your school anthem. Yankwe.
Make us brave, strong, and bold to defend. Ready, go. Make us brave, strong, and bold to defend. Flag of our unity and strength. We are the future leaders with strength and intensity. Quality education, best investment, and future. future, the home of God. Leaders, the way has come at last. Stars is on the way. The skies are limit. Hands future, the way has come at last. Stars is on the way. The skies are limit. Hands future, the way.
Wow, how's future leaders?
Quality education, best investments.
How's future leaders?
Quality education, best investments.
For the last time, how's future leaders?
Quality education, best investments.
Okay, your poetry no be shisha so mame. Enti no me do be see her all. Na ya hwe emofra ne body mbo kakra se na wo ka no. Sabefe no me na ye bia e be sa be bom komu bio. Ati ase. Okay.
Me da say.
Me da say pa. Me ba cho ye do ye poetry segment. Poetry. Me ba cho be ka poem ma be use mic we. O be ka poem mo na be o mic no. Na bo wudi e ma me. Entrastic. Okay. Yanko. What did you say?
Aboabo Thomas.
Okay. What class say?
Please class 6.
Okay. Obey day. Over cutting.
Chamebeka poem.
Poem about what?
About Honorable Alexander Akwesiakwa.
Mo. Yankwa. Let's go.
Good news. Good news. Good news. Akyem Oda constituency has had good news again. Honorable Alexander Akwesiakwa, you are a true representative of the eagle. You soar higher. You never idle. You mumble into the sky's feather, as you tamed heart forever, with the sweetest melodies ever, from the fruit of the nightingale. Since 2016 you came into power, you constantly changing note that sense has to solid. Your personality is too involving. Your tenacity cannot be mistaken for revolutionarism. Indeed, Akyem Oda constituency is privileged to have you as the MP. All we say to you is thank you, Aiko.
Yo, why are there? Yamon Samano, why are there? Yes, mommy, Yanko.
Edi Amejesone, Amadodwa, Marensa Ami Baking, Yatuni Din say, Ejapa, Monio, Ejapa, Niamapa, Entetiapa, Aboabo pa, Nisuban Penina free and Eja, Onimonyan for Akwesi Aquaho, a war me, Dokutani beaching wo a, na ochen wo se, or she outside fita, se osofu beaching wo a, na ochen wo se, or she osofu antade, what they sell Asha Yenina Afuma. Papa se menshia afin podie wa masuku fu mo friend nyina akwanya wo wakasa fidie so se won betre won adom achede na we besiesie emofra ama won dach papa bi a eda won enim ye hanse fode ya nanti TV ne akasa fidie so pen inti enim se don shu mienu wakasa fidie so ebu eden why Akyem Oda ne Aboabo kwenyina ejapa ya maamo nyami shra ya maamo ne yo medamu ase.
Wow, yamo samano. Why are there pa? Why are there? What's your friend say? We didn't say. Petra Bentum. Oh, kawami sem nibium. Kebium na me de dodo. Kebium.
Edi Amejesone, Amadodwa, Marensem Ami Baking, Yatuni Din say, Ejapa, Monio, Ejapa, Niamapa, Entetiapa, Aboabo pa, Nisuban Penina free and Eja, Akwesi Aquaho, a war me, Dokutani beaching wo a, na ochen wo se, or she atad fita, se osofu beaching wo a. Na ochen se o she osofu antade wo de se ashe nyina afuma papa se menhia afin podie wa masuku fu mofre nyina akwanya wo wakasa fidie so se won betre won adoma chede na we besiesie mofra ama won dach papa bi a eda won enim ye hanse fode ya nanti TV ne akasa fidie so pen inti enim se don shu mienu wakasa fidie so ebu eden
Why Akyem Odane Aboabo Kwenyina? Ah, Ejapa, Yamawamo, Yamishra, Yamaumonio, Madame Wase.
Why are dear? Yɛn Mma Samano. Why are dear pa? Why are dear? Ebusia has future leaders in Mofra and I would say Womun Kano. Na we KG for Mofra Nkwa and nine the almost will be a catch yen. Eti Mama Yankwe has future leaders.
Quality education, best investment.
Has future leaders.
Quality education, best investment.
Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Daakye.
Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Daakye.
Mo, you start here. When they start here, my ready, go.
Some good habits to learn and practice. Some good habits to learn and practice. Wake up early. Wake up early. Pray and worship God always. Pray and worship God always. Greet your parents. Greet your parents. Brush your teeth always. Brush your teeth always. Take your bath always. Take your bath always. Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food. Go to school early. Go to school early. Do your assignment and learn always. Do your assignment and learn always. Say sorry when you go wrong. Say sorry when you go wrong. Appreciate everybody. Appreciate everybody. Respect and obey others. Respect and obey others. Go to bed early. Go to bed early. Thank you.
Oh, my idea, Mama Samamo. My idea, pa. My idea. Ebusia has future leaders in Mofra. Muni na wo KG. Omuni na ewo KG. Womo say some good habits to practice. Omaka bebre na. Me sure say ya fa bi ede ato yen koto kuomu. Yes, Ghana be ye bookshop. SMN kan kira wo say wadi be ye note one size books no. Wadi bebre na e na ba book ni mu ofe emu ye fita. O handwriting nya fe kura nya atro ya na just say aya sham aya fe book na ti ya den yiye nti utoba wa abofra na oh ebe di afe kura na book ni jan na so ente te ensunsan isu otogu sukura na ente ai Ghana be ye bookshop books no enti na wofu e mo pe exercise book atode a mo frɛ number we 0249029796 and asset 0246102445. Yes, Ghana be ye no to one exercise books no me see e kire den ntenya ade a ebetete da enya ade a ebetete da. Sister, what did they say?
Please, I'm called Nhewu Dancer.
Okay, and where?
Please, Christopher.
Okay, what are you guys coming to do?
Please, I come to give news.
We're coming to read news.
Yes, please.
Okay, let's go.
Radio 103.3 FM. Ahane bosso.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome you all to Community 103.3 FM. I respond to the name Nhewu Dancer, and I'm here with my colleague
Christopher Amenya.
We will be your anchor for today's program. We are excited to bring you the latest news, updates, and insights around the world. Today, we will take you on a journey to the heart of stories that shapes our world, from politics and economics to sports and entertainment. We will cover it all. We have been working tirelessly to bring you the latest news. Headlines in the news today. When we come to politics, the Vice President of Ghana, Her Excellency Professor Jenana Opoku Agyman, was not feeling well and has received a medical treatment. The Speaker of Parliament, Kingsford Sumana Babin, is not feeling well and is out of the country for further medical treatment. In sports, Real Madrid and Barcelona have both qualified for the Copa del Rey finals,
which will be held on 26th of April 2025 at Estadio de la Catuja. Hans future leaders are set to unveil their new basketball courts. In education, the UC Mass National Competition 2025 date is set. The 4 days program is set to start from the 8th of August to the 11th of August. In entertainment, Telesal Ghana Music Award 2025 has released nominations for the various categories. We are going on a short break and we'll be right back.
The news in details. The Office of the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Her Excellency Professor J. Nana Opoku Agyeman, has publicized the sudden illness of the Vice President. According to the document released, the Vice President was sent to the University of Ghana Medical Center, UGMC, for treatment. The UGMC advised for the Vice President to go abroad for further treatment. In economics, the National Democratic Congress, the political party in power now, has scraped off the e-levy and betting tax, which were imposed on citizens under the previous government. This is a step towards the fulfillment of the many things promised by the National Democratic Congress, NDC, under the leadership of His Excellency, the President, John Dramani Mahama. In sports, in the seasons, Madrid and Barcelona have advanced to the finals, giving us another Real Madrid face-off with Real Sociedad in the two-legged match, with Real Madrid easing past Sociedad in the first leg only to have a tough second leg that ended with Sociedad leading 4-3 at regular time, sending the match to extra time, with Rudiger scoring the winning goal that sent the Los Blancos to the finals. On the other hand, Barcelona had a tough first leg, which ended in a 4-4 draw, easing past Atletico in the second leg by a goal. The two Spanish giants are expected to give us a heated final on the 26th of April 2025 at the Estadio de la Catuja. Again, Hans Future Leaders Integrated School, a basketball court, is set to be unveiled soon to help bring out the sport potentials in students, as children are multi-talented. In education, the UC Mass National Competition for 2025 is set to commence on the 8th of August to the 11th of August 2025. This is a 4-day program, and as the champions of last year's competition, expect nothing but the very best from us. In the world of entertainment, the most famous award scheme in the country, Telesal Ghana Music Award, TGMA, has released nominations for the most anticipated category, which is the Artist of the Year. We have musicians like Joe Metro, Stoneboy, Kweku Smoke, Team Eternity Ghana, Kim Paluta, Black Sheriff, and Kim Promise. Have a good evening, and thank you for your time. I respond to the name Christopher Aminya, and I'm here with my colleague.
Hey, rude dancer. Thank you.
My idea. Wow. Man on the bravo there. Yay. Man here. Bravo, yeah. All right, I was here for Hans Future Leaders in Mafrano. No, Obibeka say, hey, now then, I'm okay, bravo. Now one man catch you, we see a tambukuchu. Now, and yeah. Omo Obibeka news to wo twi mu. E wa hanum say. Sister, everything.
This is Victoria for you.
If I show kasa den.
Victoria for you.
What class ahin?
4.
Sister, where?
Asante Cresta Bell.
Class
2.
Class 2. The class 4 ni class 2. For na Obibeka twi news no.
Pachai.
My ready.
Pachai.
Community Radio 103.3 FM. Ahaneye, ahanede, ahane boso.
Yɛn Mma wo akwa babania erasia manseni na ajiatu kasafidie ba akope community 103.3 FM so ena yakaya ntoma apem ano ensam ayen sasu so yasone so kroje ti sai su a efinyame animba se community anime no nan kasiebo asonfuni ya me abna asante mene
Efia for you papa bi.
ensam a edi akote wa kase animu bene oman pani abeje hwe ya mame professor
Nana Opoku Ajima Hodo no Kakra Nancy.
Penny Yera John Dramani Mahama Etwana Edamo Bama ni Nebertinso. So you see Majumedi a Ecoso Afibiano. Bebaso Afiwe enso was an abosminum. What I go can see hun semunsuno. Hans future leaders integrated school by power and basketball court into man and senior. What any Jane semunsuno. Senator for our Ghana had a senator for be abegaso hour of any last stop. Afe, Cassiani Tremu, or my penny abede chair, mammy Professor Jane Nano Poku Ajimai. Hodo Donan and say my one day call University of Ghana, Ayarisabia. Na hona dokota fu a onim de beka se e wose wode ne kwa ma no ne kwaji ayaresa wa amanyo semu no o man panyin ye ra John Dramani Mahama eto na edamo bama ne betin so senia o kan woni manifesto mu no wa adisua insemu no you see mass akensi a ekoso afibia no beba so afiewe nso wo sana abosumi a etoso wotwe kosi du ba ko won kran ina senia ye no da bia no Hans future leaders budget inkunim abutrain ashe achimodan enunyam. Wa agokensie mu no. Esansa abofebe wa adom achede nti no. Na Hans so dwuna abofebe biara ho nti. Hans future leaders be power on basketball court international nsen ya trese enya agokra. Pewani behwe 1 year we de aboa mmofra a wokosuku wo ho wa agokensie mu. Wa aniji nsem no sinitwafo a wa Ghana ha our friend Gollywood is in a for be abejaso our friend last stop. Na near trust in each room. Sinini and Nikaye pa. Was in Numuno. Ubehu sinitrafu a cuckoo damn bit say, Lydia Foxton. I get the Anna Neclamento Shares actress. Sinini feye. Cassian Arayene. Me mamma monity adeshi. A symphony and me a fear for you a papa be mene.
Abena Asante.
Wow! 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 Woo! Hey! Yamba some of my own way. Sana never for crown on to me aka. Mama kechi na kane kroje. My dear pa. E busi a hospital leaders e mofra ene egusuwa ene womu edi enjume no fa ye drusu yi. Sports for mumra mani mami. Udin the same bra.
Samuel Asari.
What class are he?
Graces.
Yo, when I wear
a free for Kelvin.
Class
6.
Wo.
I bet B.O. Jaden. JHS 1.
Okay.
Christopher Mwewa, JHS 1.
Hedo Entry, JHS 1.
All right. What be heading?
Troy Rebecca Sabibia Fago, Agokensi.
Yo, young Koyetiemo.
Jamamu Aqua Baba community.
Oh, my commentary. And I dang. Commentary. Okay. Commentary. More be your commentary. Muni na. Mo for 5 ni na. Okay, young kwe.
So let's hear for Yamamu Aqua Baba community FM 103.3. Ebre associate Agokensi and Papa Mu Bremo. Na yan yedi agokensi en papa mu bremo ne me afifa Kelvin ne ma pamfo Jaden Coleman
Asai Samuel Christopher Mwewa
Hedo Entry yo medam asi peace anso mama kwaba
Yenua
afi ye be koyenua Jaden ho na Jaden den na wo mayen
Arsenal versus a Brentford match no o share a league table ni so a Arsenal that second and a Brentford and so that 12 with 42 points and Arsenal was 62 points. Match played by Arsenal year 31 and match played by Brentford year 31. Goals scored by Arsenal 56 and Brentford and so 51.
Yo ya dawasi pi afi ye be ko yenua Hedo Entry Hedo na den na wo mayen me wa La Liga table Barca versus Leganés. Barca that position first, and Leganés that 18th. Barca Leganés or call relegation, and Barca ewo abrante a your friend Lamia Ma, and a chilo one so abrante a your friend Kunde. Na right finger, right winger no yawa abranti a yefre no. Yawa abranti a yefre no Rafinha. Eno ne ade amede ma na basa betimi ahye. Basa betimi ahye Las Palmas.
Yo yada wasi pi afi. Yada se emre ko nti yade emre ko eti mude yen besi ha sa pepepe yada basi pa. Yada basi. Yɛn Mma ne Yɛn Daakye dwumadie. Yɛn Mma ne Yɛn Daakye dwumadie. Ɛna wasugusu a wutie yi. Ane yɛne Hans Future Leaders mmɔfra na edi dwuma yi. Sports for na aba ɛkɔ. Poetry for aba ɛkɔ. Na fa edru su yi UC Mass. UC Mass. Nti no. Say akwaba.
Yena.
Bibi aboko de.
Nyame adom bibi aboko mi gidi sound so ho.
Me ho ya pa.
Ye de nyame ase.
Say UC Mass ni. UC Mass ye de.
Oka yekɔ poto kase mu a UC Mass and ase tranka say universal concept of mental arithmetic system.
Okay.
We make am biti baby be na so bebre. Enye bibia ma me break it down ma. Unse mental do be ne say mental ye say bibi e fa adwene ho. Into UC Mass ye programmer ye de build akora na adwene e fa me mass ho. Arithmetic ni na ye mass. Ye nkan bom ni antim film. Into UC Mass ye de build akora na adwene e fa mass ho. Obi wo ha wo timas e me timas na me tie me ya da bi. Enu ti na UC Mass ba ye yi sa de ne fuo. Na boost akora na adwene. Na ye say mental an tete nye say mass nkwa ho. Ye bie akora na adwene. Ba ye fa mass nso e bie na adwene ama other subjects nyina so eso nya fa so nti enu ni UC Mass ni UC Mass no enye magic enu UC Mass enu
okay it is a miss me person ye bie ma adwene musa then na menye
enu ani se odo hu ba bebo UC Mass oda de ye wo ha no na oda ne ye wo potemiensa ye wo Hans school mu ho ene ye wo bi wo nkwanto traffic ene ye se an wo bo South Town inti no schools ni ebi eye UC Mass na school ba ko a oye UC Mass pa no eye Hans Future Leaders ba se wo pese wo ba ana wo fa si bi ana empo unua bi ba join UC Mass a free ahoma trufo yi 055 941 9972 message su bi 055 941 9972 eno ni number wo free na wo pese wo do ho be don UC Mass adwumaku na ye be hwe na wo so wo ba na etima bie na adwum ma wo so wo ba ne ye de mass to ho a obe ni simple kura yetimi menua no kura menua kitwa ye ma me se ada akwa no ye magic na me se ma da bi ye UC Mass no ye enye magic
na akopon na bo adwen no se ba ne se na mutumi bi adwen ni mi
nyakopon na bo adwen ba nyakopon na asa ama ye nim dia fa adwen ho se wo de ama wo but nso bi wo ba ye se me ba na bon akola bi ambon ma eye akola bi ne de wo sua de ene nyakopon ama ye peni ni nim dia obefa so ebie sa aki no eye ade kitu ebie nya ye pe me ba no ma twese na adwen ma nya operation ye be ye UC Mass ne man kitinkiti we kira akora no dia akora ne be akora ho bedwiu
eti dia minim ne se mo keka numbers na no ma ade sa eti anu no mbe de no ma ade wo mutiri musa
enu ni UC Mass no unse ye ntimi nton obi e ne ho si ne tomago fi e wa bonte ye de ye tomago papa so de yensi fi kura yensi wa bonte na papa ye wo secret wo ba secret anya magic oba ye be bie kitu abi so a kire na wa we hu ye ngofo obi ba wow ba ye de wow ba be ya kire no se UC Mass bibi wum
Mun display na yanko. Mun display yanko. Okay, Mike. All right, yanko.
Ready. Folks, what time is it?
It's UC Mass time. Yeah!
I say, folks, what time is it?
It's UC Mass time. Yeah!
UC Mass.
Speed.
UC Mass.
Accuracy.
UC Mass.
Education with a difference.
Education with a difference. Can I get your names?
I respond to the name Princess Cynthia Mwamuna.
I'm also called Otimbeti Oparibia.
I'm called Ajekumwa Christabel.
Good. Princess, Betty, and then Christabel, you are welcome to community. Good. Now, let's start. Betty, your question. Ready? 7, 9, 3 minus 5, 5. That is
19.
19 is the correct answer. Ready? 9 minus 3, 9, 2 minus 5. That is
12.
12 is the correct answer. Let's go. Ready? Christabel, ready? 5, 1, 2, 9 minus 6. That is
10.
good. But the answer is 11. Ready? 3, 1, 5, 9 minus 3. That is
15.
good. Now, Princess, ready. 1, 2, 5, 1, 9. That is
18.
18 the correct answer. Ready. 4, 9, 5, 1 minus 4. That is
15.
15 the correct answer. Are you ready?
Ready.
Now let's go. Ready. Double the gates. Ready. Betty, your question. Ready. 42 minus 31. 11. That is
22.
20 the correct answer. Ready. 21, 23 minus 32. That is
12.
12 the correct answer. Good. Ready. Christabel. Ready. 41 minus 10. 13. That is
20.
good. The answer is 44. Ready. Christabel. 11, 13, 20. That is
44.
44 is the correct answer. Princess. Ready. 40 minus 20. 13. That is
34.
you miss a side. The answer is 33. Good. Ready. 12, 21 minus 11. That is
30.
the answer is 22. Good. Now, ready. 11 times 41.
451.
451. Good. Ready. 11 times 22.
242.
242. Good. Now, ready. 41 divided by 9.
4.5.
4.5. Very good. Now, 61 divided by 9.
6.7.
6.7. Good.
Wow. Hey, rapidly. Let's be.
Who beats my baby?
What's the episode some questions now?
Make me busaba. Is me be so chira wa
Oh,
untimi.
sure, we have to try. Oh,
Sisi ane de yemfa unfa you see mas ntiti enim ti untimi nye. Patrai.
It's the fam crab.
Oh, who dey.
Sala patcha be degrade.
Ba wo de ye do fam one day per. Mo say ti ade na say.
Say na.
Adwin mu bie.
Okay.
Enu ti na Hans future leaders ye wo no.
Okay.
Na Hans no you see mas de bia ye wo competition ayeye against ayeko na ewo enye school ni Ghana he nyina wo ye de wi asima ma nyina wo ne de wo so bi TV so wote China ba wo bi Dubai ba wo bi India ba wo bi wi asima ma se nyina ba wo bi na anwasem ne se ke ka Champions League ka you see mass competition ke Champions League ka Hans ne Real Madrid
sir
ya ji last year ya kola na koye etimi ekoye mu say Messi is a UC as the Champions League here Real Madrid.
Ajo, and then mo buy yo.
Yeah, buy it. Because international, your whole international, Malaysia for buy, China for buy, America for no chromo buy. Ya kola and koya ukudi second. We are seeing
really?
Yes, we are seeing MP Honorable Akwasi Akwa. Who akola who said the akola ne no. The Minister for Education who across akwa ketwan akwa ketekete yes toto fewa. Na so mama ti obi o mama bi o se bi o ton tools. Who akwa say na akola we do no bit my. Ye bie book so akola ne yes mama ne say ye ne kojo mama hu o say akwa mo bo amaka ahira no mama na throw number 2 akwa ne o say yes ma calculator of phone so bo he obo no hu say ampa you see ma yetimi ni akola ketekete ye de nkola ko 4 years omko ye last year oda akola ko isamira ba omia hu no say hey nyina you see mass na wo pese oba ne ti you see mass na eno ani Hans future leaders ampa na se program e kwa dem ye ma Hans nkola ne ye daakye na lead future ne no ani daakye no fast the program ne aye de anti Hans future leaders
mama mesu besi boflalos budi na mama la je yes
oh the na say ne de future ne aye ni program na mo twen se ye beba ya ba de no ano
bra be da so okay you see Hans future leaders of Ofra where you see my segment so and then the one more dey buy your community 103.3 FM Yɛn Mma and Yɛn Daakye dwumadi na waso egusu a untie yi ofa ye dru su ye so wa adwen hwe quiz no and na ye dey ebe hwehwe so ebu say stream live for Facebook join yen bra community 103.3 FM oba comment bi like bi na share bi na mofra na ye awawa ade pa mofra no la ja awawa ade pa wa ha di se wo bana odi be hwe wani gani so da be ye ka wo betumi so akadi ye ka wo betumi so akabi Yɛn Mma and Yɛn Daakye dwumadi and ye guswa ede esomon me ka we say for Paul Enterprise aso masine AAA cuisine aso masine Nixon International School aso masine and the Hans okay and I gotta be ye bush shop so aso masine Ghana be ye yes Ghana be ye bush shop aso masine and the Nixon International School aso masine AAA cuisine and then the from Paul Enterprise okay we pa my ready somebody ready
Yes, please.
Are you ready?
Yes, please.
Okay. Yeah, the quiz no. Sister, we did know about class. Followed by you. Yanko.
I respond to the name Otim Betty Paribia, and I am in grade 6.
People call me by the name Asarija, and I'm also in grade 6.
I am also called Nheru Danswa, and I'm also in grade 6.
Mo. Yeah, the spelling bee ne shasiye. Yeah, the spelling bee ne shasiye. So you are spelling the word catalyst. Catalyst.
Catalyst. CATHOLIST. Catalyst.
No, it's wrong. There's no H. Catalyst. Catalyst.
Catalyst.
Yes.
CATORLIST. Catalyst.
Catalyst. Catalyst.
Catalyst. CATERLIST. Catalyst.
You, my dear.
Catalyst. CATTERLIST. Catalyst.
Okay, catalyst is being spelled CATA. Mr. Ta. It's CATA. CATA. Mother say LYST. Our second word is jubilation.
Jubilation. JUBILACA. The jubilation.
Let me tell you this: when I pronounce the word, write it on a sheet of paper. Write it before you spell it out. Don't rush. Do not rush. Okay?
Okay.
Jubilation.
Jubilation. JUBILATION. Jubilation.
Inscription. Inscription. Inscription.
Inscription.
Okay.
INSCRIPTION. Inscription.
That's correct. Yamasamano. Why are they? Mama, me fantaba. Okay. Your third word. Filtration.
Filtration. FILTRATION. Filtration.
That's correct. Hey. Mama, no policy. Interesting.
Interesting. INTERESTING. Interesting.
That's correct.
Publicly.
Mm-hmm.
PUBLICLY. Publicly.
That's correct. Wow. Okay, generate.
Generate. GENERATE. Generate.
That's correct. Okay, facilitate.
Facilitate. FACILITATE. Facilitate.
Just a munya botra crowd. Okay, that's a crowd. Obama day. My dear, my final word. Future.
Future. FUTURE. Future.
That's right. And future. A word of the day. Future is our word of the day. What is the meaning of future? I don't understand.
Future means something that is ahead of you.
Okay. Or
future is the time yet to come.
Do you have another definition?
Future is anything you want to do but not yet seen.
Okay. Oh, explanation in Moonshada and the whole mammy. But yes, still. Future tree in your day.
Daakye.
Oh. Okay. No cressa. Well, we are deriving 3 words each from the word future.
Fair. FUR. Fair.
Okay.
True. TRUE. True.
Fet. FET. Fet.
F what?
ET. Fet.
What's the meaning of the word fet? FET. It's fet. And what does it mean?
Fit. FET. Fit.
No. Fit in your FET. Sweetheart. Next word. Me pay 3 each from you.
Few. FUE. Few.
Few. Now future WM.
FUE.
FUE. FUE. Is that a word on its own? Me pe word I can say word. Me pe prefaces and suffixes. Me pe word.
Root, R-U-T.
R-U-T. Okay. All right. Me pe synonym for the word future. Synonym. First of all, what's the meaning of synonym?
Synonyms are words which are similar in meaning.
That's right. So I want a synonym for the word future. Synonym for the word future. Yes. Hello. Okay, we have upcoming. After I say beba, prospective, forthcoming, coming, and now you can say tomorrow. Okay, antonyms for the word future.
Past.
Past or what? Past or previous or former. Because tomorrow we hunt it. When the yesterday. Exactly. Okay, these are some popular English proverbs. I want you to continue for me, okay? Ye bebu be, we ye bebu no potoka semu no atwa so about. What does it?
Okay.
Actions speak
louder than words.
What?
Louder than words.
That's correct. That is correct. Yeah, Master Man. Now it brings me to this question. Make our actions speak, and I'll call louder than the words. And then Manka actions speaks. Now make our actions speak. Why? I need an explanation. I said actions speak. And then I make our actions speak. Now Manka actions speaks. Why? I need an explanation. Chim. Who is talking? My dear, talk.
Because action is one word.
No, I said actions.
Actions.
Yes. So because actions, Oh, explanation. Yes, darling.
Because letter S can end at a word each time.
Oh boy. And yes, sir. Actions speak. I'm talking about subject verb agreement here. Actions speak. It's about time actions speak, not action speaks. Yes,
because action is not a person.
Debbie. The reason is actions a plural subject. Okay, and we all know a plural subject goes with a plural verb. A singular subject goes with a singular verb, right?
Yes.
Okay, and speak here is our verb here. So if actions is plural, that means speak is supposed to be in its what? Plural form. And then the plural form for speak is speak. It's like a action. Action now. Can be action what?
Speaks.
More. A bear action speak. Ya must some more. Ya must some. Practice makes a man
perfect.
Good. When you go to Rome, to Asomami. When you go to Rome, do what Romans do. Won't say that. Don't cry over
something.
Debbie.
Food.
Don't cry over
something which is not yours.
Hi, sana see any achireba me pe asam na yekabo. A popular term pa yetaika. Don't cry over spilled milk. An apple a day to asumami. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, your course science. My first question here, what is photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is the process whereby plants use to prepare their own food by chlorophyll, sunlight,
and water.
Okay. The largest organ in the human body is what?
Skins.
Is the skin. Now, how many bones are there in the human skeleton? How many bones are there in the human skeleton? Yes, my dear. Talk. How many?
1,000.
No, it's lesser than 1,000. How many
12.
bones? There be. Yes.
100.
There be a 206. 206. Okay, yeah, to us all. What are the three main types of rocks? Rocks. Yes, me too.
Marbles.
We have three main types of rocks:
Pebbles.
igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, what is friction? What is friction? What is friction? Wait, what class are you again?
Grade 6.
You?
Grade 6.
Mo. You?
Grade 6.
Mo. What is friction? You should know friction.
Friction is anything that can move.
That can move.
Yeah.
No, friction is a force that opposes the motion between two surfaces. Okay. Surface in it's a force now opposing motion between the two, no, and a friend of friction. Matthias here.
Yes, please.
Okay. The largest planet in our solar system is what?
The sun.
Oh boy.
Jupiter.
Jupiter. My idea. Okay. The process whereby a substance changes directly from solid to liquid is what? The process whereby a substance changes from solid to liquid is
Evaporation.
What? From solid to liquid.
Melting.
It's melting. Yamma sama womo. Yamma sama. Okay, yeah, it was so. When liquid changes to gas, the process is what?
Evaporation.
That is correct. What is a cell?
A cell is the basic unit. Cells are the basic unit in.
What is a cell?
A cell is a basic unit in life.
It's the basic unit of life. That is correct. Yankwe current affairs kakra. Meka a citizen because I'm a citizen of Ghana. A
citizen is a person who is born in a particular country.
So I am a citizen of Ghana means what?
You are born in Ghana.
That's right. Yamasema womo. The national anthem. Who composed it? Who composed the national anthem?
Philip.
That's correct. That is correct. Yamasema. Who can recite the pledge?
The pledge. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, I promise.
The pledge, Yanko.
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to all.
The pledge.
The pledge. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I promise to hold in high esteem.
Wow. Okay. So pledge na muntu minka. The national anthem. Who can sing the national anthem? The national anthem. Class 6. The national anthem, my dear.
God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong. Good, bold to defend forever.
The cause of freedom and of right.
Okay.
Fill our hearts with true humility. Make us cherish fearless honesty. And help us to raise this oppressed rule with all our will and minds forevermore. and help us to raise this oppressed with all our will and might forevermore.
Who designed the Ghana national flag?
Theodosia Oko.
Okay. So, help me differentiate between Ghana flag and other countries' flag.
The Ghana flag is made up of 4 colors, and they are red, yellow, green, and there is a star in the middle of the yellow, which is black.
And the red stands for the blood of our ancestors. The yellow stands for the minerals found in Ghana. And the green stands for the vegetations and plantations in Ghana.
Okay.
And the black stands for the black stars.
Okay, that's true. So, Yan Ara Yanasasini, who composed it?
From Amo.
That's correct. Yamasama Womo. So, what are some of the ways or some of the things you can do to keep your community clean? Obiama me bako. What are some of the things or ways in which you
Communal
can
labor.
into obako kwa your menjuma? Is that what you are saying?
Yes, please.
Yes, my dear.
Avoid urinating at wrong places.
Okay, when you saw by heart. Yes, eh.
Avoid throwing rubbish at wrong places.
Okay. It's no na mo be it's more letter around. When you saw good baby and was all you so good. And I was just like, obako menjuma.
Yes.
Okay, Matthias. All the same, Yanda maths kakra. Yanda mathematics kakra. I hope you are still ready.
Yes, please.
Okay, my first question. You are adding 456 to 279. 456 to 279, and my answer is
735.
That is correct. Now you are subtracting 219 from 756. You are subtracting 219 from 756. What is my answer?
537.
That is correct. Now, 48 divided by 6 is
7.
48 divided by 6 is
8.
Is 8. Now, 63 divided by 9.
7.
That is correct. Half of 20 is
10.
3/4 of 16 is 3/4 of 16.
4.
And no correct. 3/4 of 16. 3/4 times 16. Saying. Yes, who is coming? Yes.
24.
Oh, Debbie. 3/4 times 16. 4 koni humu 1. Equal 16 more 4. 4 times 3. 12. So my answer is 12. Okay? Okay. We are rounding this particular number to the nearest tenth. Round 4.27 to the nearest tenth is what?
4.30.
That's correct. That is correct. Okay. Nails. Finger nails. Ni twi din yede.
Bore.
Within
Yen Sambore.
Yen Samore. Okay. Pencil twi yede.
Chodra.
Okay. A hand time broth yede.
Fastidious.
Size twi yede. Science twi. Size twi yede. Abodi emu nyansape. Prophecy twi. Income share. Dream twi.
Diet.
Okay. All right. I think exhausted. Yinina. Maths. Science. English. Current affairs. Hey. Current affairs kakra. Nemo mayanko ministers nimu kakra. Yanko ministers nimu kakra. Minister of Education didn't say.
Haruna Indrisu.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, to also. Minister for Finance, what is his name?
Dr. Ato Forsin.
That's correct. Then Minister for Food and Agriculture. Minister for Food and Agriculture, if anything. Honorable Eric Opoku. Akyem Odamra Shebedwani din say.
Honorable Alexander Akusiakwa.
Okay. All right. And then na Damango ya region be capital. A region may.
Savannah region.
Okay. Okay. Says she you also a region may capital.
Western North.
What?
Western North.
What's the Western region? Una kai.
Western North.
Why I say Western region? Okay. Western North Ampa. And then na Upper West region capital ya then.
Wa.
Wa. My idea. Ya must say my woman. My idea. Yɛn Mma ɛne Yɛn Daakye dwumadie ɛna masugusu amutie yi yɛde mbabunu ɛkasa segment ne to aso a because ɔmo so ɔmo yɛ mbabunu no saa na ɛnda asɛm ɛda pono so yɛbɔ galamsey mu nkɔmɔ meka galamsey kra no ne deɛ sister Penny galamsey yɛ deɛ sɛ na wote galamsey asefa yɛka galamsey yɛ de ade
galamsey ɛyɛ adwuma bi a nkrɔfoɔ etu fam hwehwɛ egudie bi te sɛ sika kɔkɔɔ na denkyembo
nti obi a obetu fam bia no ɔyɛ galamsey
so ɔmo hwehwɛ egudie
okay obi obetu fam ahwehwɛ egudie bia yɛ galamsey. Sister, galamsey what you are saying?
Galamsey means mining without permission from the government.
Okay. You are now talking. Yes, sister.
Galamsey ye ne boni bi a ya eseyensu.
Ne boni bi a ya eseyensu. Embabunu no kasa ampa. Okay. It is say no me question to aso ye say galamsey mo hwa ya de pa ni ye pa.
Pachodabi.
Enya ni ye papa.
Pacha.
I didn't see any pa yes me do.
Pacha saying yen sas ni yensu ayen yenom ema yensu say ya somehow beban ye be exporting you from China.
Nti enye na nya no nyame gold do dia ma ye be dey etu.
Pacha aya omonkwaje permission and permit in free government.
Wow, I love this answer. Your mother, yes sister. Your mother, yes sister. Okay. Naturally say galamsey nye nanso nyame adodo de a ewa asase mu a wode adom ye no se ye pese ye tu so a ye nkonkwaji tumi krata adeti na ekwaji sa tumi krata no why should we go for that permit?
Pacho sani ombetro baby a tu sani ahun say yen sa asini yensu
okwaji permit na ye kiro baby akotu. Oh yeah, sure.
Pacho enu betches abana na ashawas.
Abana so wasne. Abana ma utumi krata se kola kotu. Asesto na uni baby poti ago do kro no wo. It is also betutu asese yensuo ne yensa ase na meboa.
Pacho omde machine bi abase. What the kind addicted to say aha gold ni ha. Send a betro baby pa ubetumi etu.
Okay. Enti sa machine Ghana ha ebi wa. Won bi wa.
Pacho dabi.
Enti den na aka kira ban.
Pacho me ka show me say omumboa yen. Na omuntumi nya machine bi senia omunsai yen sase.
Okay. Enti nya machine ebetumi detect say this particular portion gold wa ha say be ye tu and say you go straight to the point akodu. Sana opa akire.
Pachane.
Okay, sister. Imabunu na senkrofo no mutu galamsey no. Efutu ade ma omo ye den.
I was say yeah. yɛkyerɛ yɛma ɔmo ndwuma yɛ.
Yɛma mbabunu no ndwuma. Ade so ɔmo ni adwuma yɛ onti na ɔmo du galamsey.
Patran, nti ɔsi yɛkyerɛ ɔmo ndwuma te sɛ nsano ndwuma. Na ɔmo de nye sika kakra.
Woyɛ sure sɛ yɛkyerɛ ɔmo nsano ndwuma ɔmo besua?
Patran, yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ ɔmo nkakra.
Na sika ɔmo nya ne galamsey mu. Nsano ndwuma betumi ama ɔmo sɛ sika.
Ya ɔmo ntɔ ɔmo fo sɛ nkakra ɔmo betumi anya sika nti. Ɔmo nya na ɔmo save, ɔmo de ato hɔ, ɔmo nya na ɔmo de ato hɔ. Ebedu miribi ɔmo benya sika bebree.
Ete wasi a yensa motivate wo monta. That's a fantastic answer. Yamba samano. That's it. E wo mu se osiansa no ndwuma wo nya sika na nka wo nya ne galamsey no mu de na so ye show mu nkuran a na ye kyerɛ mo se kakra be yi a omo koso a yensa no ndwuma ne kakra o metumi asie sika bi na da ache omo so abeye adefo why ade. Sister, it is here and the foot will bang. And then I pass out by your fag and I'm saying some you.
Just not me by kind. I was say your parents and do baby mom. Okay. My young show moon crying. Say in a jumaya muye, galamsey jumye, a say and so. Okay. And so on, so ye won't be a sub be ye and bibia. It is a almost good to galamsey na. Ebe say nsu ye nya nsu nya hwe then time nsu besa e Ghana wan hwe ka ebetima ka nsu efiama na no aba ha nsu say nsu ye wo ye nsu eboa nti say pensa no dwuma bi mama na ma hwe mu kran say galamsey ya ye nsu sanso ebeba sunye ebetima fa ya wa bebre aba.
Okay. Ebetumi afa so amanyarewa bebre aba imebulu ne kasa o matro ma adwen kama imebulu wo mo adwemu Aboabo pa ebusia ya mani Yɛn Daakye dwumadie na yegusu a ede esom we mekai we set triple A cuisine say aduane bi a wo pastries bi a wo for all your occasions but madi afre no that was 0246 650261 and that's 0246 575964 and I'm post 0595 120056. The chakwa wa Akyem da quarter stop where your pastries are sort just a net day you want my mofrani pastries ama womudi echa womu enumu triple A cuisine and no what say your choice are promised. They will see for all your occasions and then if you will pay so person your pastries no in bulk the ma will say we your program be now person will be popon sano wasi no mama di afre triple A or be sort out kama yeah the segment we esi my idea do Yɛn Mma sama. Okay. Ebusia brass say ye beautiful lines no nende mo amu wo fie so no abaso bonsem bia mo pesa mo ka kire mbofra no anampo se efutu sem bia mo wode ma mbofra no mo de aba 0551 68 3333 and I said 0551 692222 mi sisubiem 0551 683333 and I said 0551 692222 0551 683333 and I said 0551 692222. Okay, me pacha o fra no wadu mu kasa fidie no e de ama me ka Yɛn Mma wo baje me so se ene Yɛn Daakye abusia Yɛn Mma
ene Yɛn Daakye o
me pacha o din de sana kasa fi he
me di kwaku menu me kasa fi atimoda
yo kwaku menu ye tie wa
atoma ya dia pa e bo ma ba so omo nkusi na mo nye.
Okay, all right, kwaku menu ko school eh
because school
hector yo yes ya there why okay ebusia 0551 683333 and answer 0551692222. Yɛn Mma. Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Daakye.
Yo, mpacho di ndisa na kase free he.
Mbati me de Catherine me kasa fi bompaye.
Yo, meet you Madam Catherine.
Mbati mo fa no mo ya de pa Christopher o ya de pa nyame hia mo fa bebre.
Amen. Oh, amen. Yɛda ase. Abusia 0551 683333 and I said 0551692222. Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Daakye.
Me ba cho di ndisa na kase free.
Pacho agata ni o.
Yo, bibi aboko.
Pacho bibi aboko.
Yo, mi pacho yetie wa. Efutu obi wo
Pacho le pa no maya de pa. Ika fora kyen kwa na pa.
Sa.
Kama so mo kwaso ansu ade yer mai.
Pacho.
Yɛn Daakye. Yame ka ho.
Onka wo so ho. Okay, Ebusia 0551 683333 and I said 0551692222. Meka Yɛn Mma. Wo baje me so say ene Yɛn Daakye. Ebusia Yɛn Mma.
On Yɛn Daakye.
Me pacho di ni sana ka se free he.
Ye friend me na na wi afi. Me ka se free Aboabo.
Yo, nana mitie wa.
Mo fa no ayade. Me my very impressed.
Okay.
Omo yade. Me mbo mo abaso.
Omo da wase dodo. Omo da ase. Wo fitu obi ma mo fra nana.
De me ka che omo ne se omo nyiro omo hu sua de.
Sa.
Wo se se ni de area se na di sua na.
Enwa.
Talent na e wo mu no. Why fortunate na o ko school a omo ye much concentration no. Our talent building this or there. And I think there was almost pay attention to it.
Okay.
Okay. They are realizing it as a almost tree, so no, I cannot isa, almost come from more, almost tree catano. Because almost a Ghana phone color.
Okay.
We'll come from now, catch you. You know, omunyo ensiade omoyade.
Okay, yada se no wafutu nyame shira pa. Okay. All right. Abusia 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222. Abusia Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Mma ne Yɛn Daakye.
Me ba cho din de sana ka se free he.
Pacho ya family akutika me kasa free bompaye.
Yo, akumitie wa.
Pacho, me bo Christopher Basopa, wayade pa, David Rane bibi.
Amen.
Omoni yempeni kwa da chombare kayen.
Sa pepe.
Insha community for sini eduma pa moye.
Yɛda se. Nyame shira. Okay. All right. Abusia 0551. Okay. Yɛn Mma.
Any Yɛn Daakye.
Me ba cho din de say na ka se free he.
Me din de sister Hannah me ka se free anu ma se.
Yo, sister Hannah pa cho mitie wa.
Oh. Ya boy am kwala ya ba so pa. O ma ya die.
Ma ya die dodo.
Okwa no wan chiro mu sa why. Yɛda o ma se.
Yo, efutu obi wo ho de ma mofra nana.
Efutu a me wo de ma wo se aya o mu nka chi ni subli.
Okay.
Ana me baba akunsu kobi me nana e friend Christian.
Okay.
No so wo ho.
Okay.
Eti yɛda o ma se pa no wo mo nkyerɛkyerɛ why.
Yo.
Ya me name Hannah why.
Me pa cho yo obeti. Madam Hannah Betty pa. All right. Ebusia Yɛn Mma. Okay. 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222. Ebusia Yɛn Mma.
Hello.
Me pa cho jemesu se ene Yɛn Daakye. Yɛn Mma.
Any Yɛn Daakye man.
Me pa cho din de se na ka se free he.
About me dey in stand.
Yo, me pa cho mitie wa.
Ayam kola no nyame hira mo mayade.
Amen.
Yes, bia na ode obakwa with me SLC. And even to talk on radio no. Enye easy sa. Ndingwala no mayade. Bo ma ba.
Okay. efutu obi wo ha de ma wo mo ana
na efutu ani say ye de ani say ye de omo be school so mo me sua de
no kre
nti omo de so me yire omo ho mo sua no mo twa na wo bi ni wa o person odi ne ba ko school no ko say baby o person o ko school no ko ye bibi papa nti no odi na ko school
sa
nti omo mo de ni so me sua de no mo twa
okay
me so am de mo mo
mate ye da se pa okay 0551683333 and that's 0551692222 ebusia Yɛn Mma me pa cho Yɛn Mma
Yɛn Mma ne Yɛn Daakye o
me pa cho di de say na kasa free he
me den de elder Paul me kasa free Bompaye
yo elder Bompaye boko de
Bompaye boko
ya da nyame ase
mebo Christopher Baso
Christopher Jinidin
Christopher amenya
okay
Abaso
all right
na mo ko so akente onye ne ho na de we bia onye na me fata kwanya wi so abot chess ni na so Abaso
okay
etante na mo sa so ntine ne e ma ya tie ma yin kan ya ni agi
no cre
ye boy ya fa na Abaso pa de nya me so nko so ma ho de na nyansa na tambia muntimi encheche ma no na ma ne da cha ye fese de ye hwe no
sa pepe
na me sa kwanya so achia community for nyina ene atiefo nyina ewade shira mama ye sa kwanya ama ye man so sa kwanya ye da mo ase
amen
me pa kwanya so achia Bompaye asafo man nyina asiesi Bompaye asafo man nyina
amuni na ajewo so ye da se pa okay ebusia 0551683333 and that's 0551692222 Yɛn Mma
Any Daakye
me pa cho di ndi sana kasa fu he
me dey dia sante me kasa fi Aboabo
pa cho mi tie wa
enwe dey say enkola no mo impress yen a lot o ma ye dey me kan say den e bra adwene nti ase
sa
ye dey aseda so ko pa de ma ye management ene ye teachers fo nyina wo me kan say den adusua wo ro mo dey ase ye enkola yi mu ye do ma se o mo nkoso a no mu ntimi mbe de ye enkola emfa emaye na ye ma no so no ye bo bia ba so because so be kasa o ye radio so no no easy na form aha wan sha udu o ma adwe wo tirim nyina be firim
sa
na wanyi wotu anya kukuduru be jina onu makasa display we die na sa mampa hands future leaders bibi wom
ometiso
bibi wom hands future example e pacha say ye nkola no their future is bright
sa
you know my yard
okay 0551683333 and that's 0551692222 ebusia Yɛn Mma
Yɛn Daakye
me pa cho din de sana kasa fu he
me den kanza banderek me kasa fi Aboabo
okay
mfra no ayade tene ye kanu ho Daakye
sa
ti wo se wo ye hwe won so yie mutumi leon musua de di omayade
okay o afitu obi ade ma mofra no
mungu so ma kakaka mo leon hunanye ni akani na mo leon huno munsua
okay
no so mo be nyi pa
all right me so me da se pa okay ebusia okay samni 0551683333 and that's 0551692222 me pa cho Yɛn Mma
Oni Daakye
okay pa cho di ndi sana kasa free he
kasa me from Silas me kasa fi Bompaye
okay Silas meet you
Pato me bo Christopher Baso pa ya pa na mdasu ya na wofo ene ne church fo so o ma we ade so ma hwe akola ni ye
okay ya that's yo ya that's pa okay 0551683333 and that's 0551692222 ebusia Yɛn Mma okay Yɛn Mma
ene ye Daakye
me pa cho din de sana kasa free he
I from a bright me kasa free Akyem
okay bright meet you wa
You ready? I'm going to dream pa.
Ever drew.
Oh my, dear Cassia, mathematics, you know, back in Cambo.
I you see, Master.
Nancy, me bed the homework, Befia. Make us 1 year. No, wanted to make grocery school, Netty. Okay, no, school, no way, in fact.
If I tell Aboabo, you best only had a mistress Nakasa. No, I chill, I'm our number, our best friend, how do I friend?
Okay. Mathematics, no more yet, and going to Mokanam Granaki Cambo. I can also say, oh, my future leaders are that. Oh, that I'm at me who are going to wash your hands. Mate, for in our Amen. With us, okay. 0551683333 and that's 0551. 692222 Mrs. Ubium 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222 Ebusia Yama we ba chodi ni sana ka se free here
na e fo mo je pon se se asima branchi
yo ko jo committee wa
you sorry and for excuse them member baby
ma ba ni brebi no mo bo mo ho money
mathematics and ya pa
okay
no je o mo ye da shi o mo so en share pa
mate o mo da se so o mo da se ni wa futu okay 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222 yes say 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222 Yama
any of that
if I told you this and I can say free here
but your friend Raymond make us a free bonfire
Raymond meet you
oh yeah the Jamias say teachers for nature oh my idea pound idea ma wale awa ka me de baba hands papa
and I na ware na we
oh
okay me that say ebusi Yama
hello
Yama
any other
me ba chodin de sana
ka se oh many aje me ba no place wa Esther
ai wow no wani aje anyumre ha ebusi 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222 Mama Esther say Yama ni aje pa won so ebusi Yama me ba cho ba je say any Yɛn Daakye me ba cho di ni sana ka se free he
Pastor me din di Venice ne ka sa free bonfire
yo bonfire fo mu wo krom pa
ye wo krom
mo no
e pastor me sabo eye me ame ba Christopher ba so ne nkola na aka ni na o ma ya de pa na so Christopher de o de mu fu aba ko
okay
ya ye no bonfire e da church for na se pa se de nkola ne bro ma o mu njo mu na o mu kwe mu ma ye da ma se nya mi estro e ni community for da ma se wa ko nya mo da ma nkola nya mi strabo pa
onshra so me that say ebusi Yama
ani that
me pa chodi ndi sana ka se free
he ni the sister Sarah am ka se free Aboabo hands school in Tewa na ma fra na mo fane adai
kose ye no sa ka se free
na ka no so wa me tra de peka na ba je
otio obesoto out one time
na ba ti kika ma si bom kika bom idie maybe a store
die
maybe a store
die
na ya no system ti me me da ma si we ti kika bom ta
o ya de pa
ya mi tiamo
amen
onya mo kete
emino
mo me stra no ma chi ni sun ti ni ya ma no
sa
chi fu anti me stra no bro fone ka ka chi ni da mi chi no onya de sa bro
okay
enti chi ni sini wo na bro fone so mo
sa
awa ya de enkolai ya te de wa ka ma mo sa ka mo ga kun ka ho
am sa ka bom biom
ya 1 minus 2 2 3 plus 4 na da ni ka mo na mi se ya na me chi mi wale
ayo fachi wale no okay 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222 Yama
any of that
me ba chodi ndi sana ka se free he
me ka se free Akyem Osrase
me ba cho meet you wa mami
Yo, Yɛn kwala no. Yɛda ɔmase.
Okay.
Ni nyina so yɛ nyame. Ɛna ama aba ne saa. Esan sɛ nyame ama wo nyansa ɛne nimdeɛ ɛne ngomanim a wontumi nyɛ. Nyame nhyira wɔn.
Amen.
Enye omo kɛseɛ.
Amen.
Omi omo adwi mu kwakyiri.
Saa.
Na ne omo hwehwɛ bi ala. Enye yi. Na me putu a me de mo omo ne sɛ. Mo mfa me masɛm nsi wo ngani so. Emwa wɔm.
Okay.
Enfo mo nkosi hwe.
Okay.
Obema no obɛdaadaa wo ne wanyem. Owie pɛ na wagyae wasi ho. O maame abɔka gu kwa. Mesrɛ Nyankopɔn de ma wɔm. So onyi saa eniema bɔne ni nyina le mfiri wɔm so. Na ɔma ne han ne ntɔm. Ewo Yesu Kristo din mu. Amen.
Amen. Amen. Amen. In fact, any more here, man, kasa. Every 0551 683333, and that's 0551 692222. Yɛn Mma.
Ani ada.
Me ba chodi ndi sana kasa free.
Your friend Michelle.
Okay. O kasa free he.
It kasa free takwa. Takrasi.
Yo, meet you me do.
Yami shramu.
Amen.
Ati Christopher no take time mas ni bom.
Oh.
Yami shramu.
Amen. Now what class are he?
6.
What classes? Na go school way.
Blessed from Academy.
Siadio, why?
Yeah.
Okay. Siadie. Abusia Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Daakye.
Yo, me ba chodi ndi sana kasa free he.
Her friend Lina kasa free Aboabo.
Yo, Lina go school way.
Aboabo South.
Okay. Me pa cho meet you then I work cafe and dejumedi ho.
Pacho de mo kan say. Miss Metro na can say galamse no onjanya sa. Ebeto de dia omo be wu a. Na wo man bibi omo bete chima kakran galamse no munjai.
Munjai ndrubone na omo de to galamse no. It will have an effect on our offsprings. Okay. Why are there? Yeah, that's it. Why? You know who's your why?
I show you that.
Okay, Miss Medase pa. Ever see Yɛn Mma?
Yɛn Mma and Yɛn Daakye.
Me ba chodi ndi sana kasa free he.
The name is Amanya Christopher Amanya Papa.
Christopher Papa kasa na be.
Go to phone in abaso. In fact, so abaso aya de pa. Na mo nso so pa ko yan so akoma abaso so ma bi akonya pa se ma ye ma se omo wetre omo bobre bi omo tua wo school mu. Sa. So ya de Islam.
Islam. Amen.
Pa ko ata man na see bonfire ka.
Amen. Okay. Ebusia 0551683333 and that's 0551692222. Yɛn Mma. Me ba cho within the same.
Kwabna aka Benzelele.
Hey, Kwabna aka Dian. Benzelele. Okay. Oko school where he? Hans Future Leaders. What class are he? Class 4. So, Casamitio. Two bomb abaso. Yo, Mate. Me da sick Benzelele. Mate, yeah, that's it. 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222. Yɛn Mma.
Ani Yɛn Daakye.
Me pacho din de say na kase fu he.
Pacho kase fu ase ne mpasel.
Pacho mi ti.
Ye me kan say kwala na ya de bebre. Me ba ne petra bensu.
Oh, okay.
Na da Madam Hana Swati. Abofre me den ba na secure den after no to school no future papa.
Sir.
Ye me ka tira wo fo nyina say o pese wo school papa de o ba wura mu a na e baba abofra no mu a
ana ko hands feature le
okay
madam no wabotre
okay
de tetem kwala
sa
de kan se nyame sa madam hana
okay
ye teachers fo nyina wono mo ye na men ko men kan ya ma me ba ko fe oh madam Grace nti an command papa
okay
damasi nyame kan nya san so da Aboabo kwasi akwanso afe da kwanya wade amaye
okay
ewo nkwalai edachi omutimi ba radio so nyenso yehu niama pa ewo mu nyame sira na Aboabo papa da monso mu nyama nyame kan
amen amen so enka wa wo ho 0551683333 and that's 0551692222 Ebusia Yɛn Mma. Okay. Philippa Ejapoma said, wow, I'm very proud of my school. It's part of Hans Future School. Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Daakye.
Okay. Me pacho din this alaka se free here.
Akyem din di Nora. Because say Aboabo.
Nora meet you.
Because cool hands and I'm madam for 4 million now my idea. They down my say. Ya mean sure.
Amen. Also ko square no we sua de why?
I tell you.
Okay. Ebusia Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Daakye mama.
So din the sena ka se free here.
But me de kwani ADB me ka se free across any important Akyem.
All right. Me pacho meet you wa papa.
Me da se. Me pacho enkola na ya de pa. Na senia edimu ba ya no mo ka se omo nka twi no. Me pacho eye no kre. Twi ni eye yen kasa.
Sa.
Inti nanka we de me sro se me kasa we fache me. Nanka e sanka ubisa omo se. Ebia omunka yen ara ya sasini na yen hwe eno so kwan omo be paso omo be okay eno ne ha ba enkwala na abo mo humode nyankopon hira omo ena won so nyankopon hira o ene wa pamfo nyina
amen
nyame mamu ahoden na omamu nimidia emudo tene be ya abre nyina mo betia nya kwan aba be kire enkwala no sene be ya omu besua ade no masua ne yi
sa
ebi enkwala ni bebre wo ho no mo a omu pese omu nsua ade nanso mu nya kwan nti akwanya we ebebo omu na omu nso omu je sua bibi e de afim nyame sha mu bebre
on shira won so